Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the brightness control slider not working in Windows 11. If your screen brightness automatically drops to 0 while dragging the brightness slider, or the brightness control doesn't work properly, follow these simple steps. First, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section and make sure your display driver is installed correctly. If you see a yellow warning icon or any error on the display driver, update or reinstall the driver before continuing. If the display driver looks fine, move to the next step. Click the search box and type Services. Then open the Services app. In the Services window, scroll down and find Display Enhancement Service. Right-click on it and select Properties. Make sure the service status is running. If it is stopped, click the Start button. Next, change the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply and then click OK. Now restart your computer. After the restart, try adjusting the brightness again. The brightness slider should now work normally without automatically moving to 0. That's it. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.